Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader on XAUUSD. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. Before I begin, I have an announcement that, my dear friends, there are lots of scams going on in my name. Please be careful. I do not have any investment schemes or paid service. For example, this is a you can see a group in my name with 34,000 subscribers. Okay, these are all scams. Please stay away. You can see this is also another scam group, okay, going on in my name. So please do not go for these groups. I only have one free Telegram community, okay, which is this. Okay, and you'll find a link in the description. Stay away from scams. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and as expected, gold is flying again. Okay, yesterday we discussed the trading opportunities on the buy side and hope you guys made some good money. And many of you are still holding trades because I received few screenshots in the morning that many of you are still holding. So just enjoy the position because gold is flying and sky is the limit. Nobody knows from where gold will reverse. But as of now, one thing that we can say is that okay, gold is back on track again. If you have been following me for quite some time, then you must know that I am forever bullish on gold. And to be honest, I am very happy to see gold back on track again. And right now, we can see that gold is facing little bit of resistance around 4150, which is quite natural because, as we all know, these round numbers they act as psychological resistance. Okay, but obviously, after some retracement or some consolidation, we can expect the upside to continue. So if you have been holding buy right now, then you can book partial profit if you want. Yes, you can book partial profit, and you can set break even, or what you can do is okay, you can also keep on trailing the stop loss. I do not have patience, but if you have the patience, required patience, okay, then you can hold your buy position, book profit at intervals, and just keep on trading the stop loss. But as of now, market is facing resistance around 4150, but do not think that okay, this resistance will reverse the market, because right now whatever we see on the chart is because of the backing of the fundamentals. Whenever not only gold, okay, any market goes up or goes down, there should be a backing of the fundamentals. Without backing on the fundamentals, a market doesn't go up or market doesn't go down. Because sometimes we believe that market is going up because of the moving average crossover. Sometimes we believe that okay, market is going up because of this particular pattern. No, the patterns or the moving averages, okay, they do not determine the direction of the market. They do not have the capacity. Okay, they are just giving us these signals, indicating us. Okay, but the direction is always being determined by the fundamentals, and right now fundamentals are on the buy side. If anything comes up during the day or by the US session, then things may be different or the market may change the direction again. But as of now, gold is bullish. You can see gold hits 3-week high on dovish Fed bets. Gold rose above 4130 on Tuesday, hitting a 3-week high as growing economic uncertainty in the US fuel expectations for a near-term Federal Reserve rate cut. Okay. Gold scales near 3-week peak on Fed rate cut bets. Gold extended gains to a 3-week high on Tuesday as growing expectations of another US federal interest rate cut in December lifted demand for the safe haven asset. So it is going up because market is expecting rate cut in December. Okay, and if you are wondering, Avilash, where is the resistance, then you can clearly see that we do not have any particular resistance here. But yes, if market crosses this level or 4150, if market breaks this particular area 4150, market will be going up again, where it will be heading towards 42. I won't say directly it will head towards 4400, but we can expect gold to head towards initially 4200, 4250, and eventually 4300. Okay, so 4150 is the first stop, and if the same sentiment remains, we can expect gold to cross 4150 as well. So those who are holding buy on gold right now, you can hold your buy position. As I said, no need to exit, just keep on booking profit at various intervals and trail your stop loss. And those who are looking for fresh position in the market, you need to follow the same old strategy that we have been following. Okay, means buy at retracement or buy at dip. If market doesn't come for retracement, then we can buy at breakout. Okay, but as of now, buy at retracement seems to be the best trading strategy here. Okay, now we are on the hourly chart because you can see I need to explain many levels here, lines here. Okay, so the hourly chart will be better to discuss. You can see I have made a few boxes here. These boxes are the best levels. We discussed yesterday also. 4021, 4027. Remember, okay, this level, yes, this level is still very much valid. Not very practical, but it's valid because it is gold. Gold is full of surprises. Okay. If there's a sudden drop on the chart of gold, then we can expect market to take support around 402127. Okay, if market drops, but it is far away, chances are very less. Then we also have a support around, you can see the second box, which is around 4042, 4048. 4048, 4042. This is also a support on the chart of gold. Okay, we can expect the market to take support here. In this situation, this level 402127 is the best support. 4048 or 4042 is also valid, but okay, if market crashes, then we can expect 402127 to work. But as I said, okay, they are not very practical, they are far away. So if we need immediate levels, then we can also expect support around 4080. Not precisely 4080, it's a zone. So it can be 4080, 79, 78 as well. So when market will come down to this particular zone, observe the market on a lower time frame. So around 4080 also we have a support, but still 4080 is far away. So do we have any immediate levels? Yes, we have immediate levels, but keep in mind they are not very strong. Okay, you can see these are the levels here. Let me change the color. Let's go with black. Okay. So we have a support around 411614. The first dotted line here. Why are we considering this? Same logic, previous resistance working as support. Okay, sorry about the bad drawing. This is the first support where you can expect a buy position. The second one is around 4106 to 4100. The second dotted line here at the bottom. We are considering this because of same logic, previous resistance working as support, and 4100 is a round number. So these are the two immediate levels where we can look for a buy position if market drops, because the best levels, the yellow boxes, are far away, chances are very less. So if market comes down to 411614, 4106, 4100, we can look for a buy there as well. Okay, you can see I have another dotted line around 4140. Yes, but 4140 is a high risk line. Okay, it's a high risk line. So if market takes support, okay, then you can try, but I'm not very convinced. Okay, let's see during the day if market takes support. If you see market consolidating around 4140, we can buy there as well. Okay, and as we all know, when gold is on mood, gold doesn't come for proper retracement. If that happens, okay, you can buy above 4150 as well. Okay, but as I always say, my dear friends, consolidation is always important. If you see market is consolidating here around the range for 2 to 3 hours, then you can expect a good breakout. After consolidation, when you'll see the market is going up, you can go for a buy position at breakout. But if you do not want to take any risk, okay, then as I always say, my dear friends, you can also buy at pullback. Means when the same level, when 4150 will become the new support, then also you can buy, because previously also market faced resistance around 415055. So this level can be a little bit tricky as well. We need good volume to break this area. As of now, market seems to be strong. We can expect the market to go up, but if you see a big green candle, okay, going up, then only buy at breakout. Otherwise, it's better to buy at pullback if you want more safe.